Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. And if it's your first time stopping by, you are most definitely welcome. Go ahead, subscribe and hit the notification button so you could be alert every time I drop a new video. So today's video is based on this gorgeous hair. Guess what, you guys? Guess what? Hold on. Okay, which I show the part. It's Glueless. Yes. So sit back, enjoy. Let's get right into the video. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. And thank you for tuning back in. And if you're new, you are most definitely welcome. Welcome back. You guys, as you can see, this wig is already laying how it's supposed to lay. So we're just gonna do a glueless unit. And all I added to this side was just water. And this is the natural. So both of them are in their natural states. So stay tuned. Let's get her on. It's best when you section off the hair first. You get more of a guideline. I'm going for a middle part. So we're going to section off the hair first. So now I'm just applying water. We're going to create some baby hair and tweeze out the hairline. So this is where we're going to part the hair. And the hair that I have left over, those would create baby hair. So when you're plucking, just take your time and go from section to section. Don't stay in one spot. And if you guys want a separate video on how to pluck and create baby hair, I would love to do it for you guys. Just drop the comment down and just let me know what's up and what type of videos y'all want to. So today we're going to focus on the glueless part. Okay, so we reached the next step. And this step is really mandatory. You have to place your wig for it to fit right in your head. So take your time, just place it right and make sure that the ear tab align with your own ear. And when you cut in the ear tab, make sure you take your time so the placement could be right. Our foam lotion, mousse, however you call it, is going to be our best friend for today. That's how we're going to get that melt. We're going to apply a lot in the front. And then basically all we're going to do is apply the mousse and get a blow dryer and section it off. Now that you got that part down, you're just going to take your elastic band and then tie the front. So now we're going to begin to styling the hair. Okay, you guys, so this is the moment we all been waiting for. Let's yes. This is the final result. And if you like this video, comment down below. If you think I did good, which I did, comment down below. And if you like it, so I'd rather not go to sleep with my wig on. So this hairstyle is definitely for me. And if you're like me, you rather not, comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. So yes, thank you so much for watching. I'll get back with you. Bye. God, guys, I've been using this on my face. You know, it's hot today. Nobody wearing makeup. I've been using this, and I also use it on my lips. Look at it. So juicy. Okay, let me get out the house now. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. I'm lit as fuck. All right, y'all, bye.